Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on my channel. My name is Dan for Crypto Rover, and thank you once again for tuning into this amazing video. Guys, quickly making an update on the market. This update will be very short, but later today, I can promise you already, I will be doing a live stream. But first, I thought I have to give this quick update because it is looking like that we're going to see an insane breakout to the upside, guys. And that is also the reason why I'm making this emergency trade update. And right away, I will be going into the charts because in front of you, you have the chart of Bitcoin. We can look at multiple patterns. First, if I set up a possibility for the head and shoulders, you can see here, left shoulder was getting formed, right, the head was getting formed over here, right shoulder getting formed over here, and right now it is looking like that we are finally closing the 4-hourly candle above the neckline, and that we are also having a perfect retest at the moment. So exactly like predicted what we are right now having here, and this is the first scenario that I'm looking at, and this scenario is of course looking extremely bullish because guys, if you're looking to this price target, it can be quite shocking because probably a lot of people are not expecting that Bitcoin will be moving so quickly to the upside. But I mean, a 69 towards 68k Bitcoin will be in the play for the coming days. So I won't be surprised if let's say in 2 or 3 days here, Bitcoin will be sitting around the 69k. So guys, right away, I'm making this update because I do think if you are not in a long position yet here, and of course always you want to trade at your own risk, you do want to take it with caution, but this is looking like a clear good possibility here. And right now we are trading against a 59.5k here, and I'm trying to get this video out as soon as possible because maybe we already bounced off once this video is uploaded, but probably it will be uploaded very quickly. So if you're still watching and you still see that the Bitcoin price is sitting over here, because of course let's say 20 or 30 minutes delay in this before it's uploaded, and you can still see the price is traded over here, you can definitely open a long position. And if you want to open these long positions, you can use the Family's referral link. You can use the Bybit referral link in the description if you want to get some extra bonuses. And also, if you look to the trades, I'm right now currently in approximately 30k profits with my trades. The trades are doing such a good job here, guys. I am going to write these ones to new all-time highs here. So definitely loving it. And this is not the only bullish scenario that we can look at, because if I remove the head and shoulders pattern, you can just also clearly look at this horizontal resistance target. You can see right away this resistance target, this gray box, was providing us a lot of resistance. You can see here it was holding us back. Here it was holding us back as well. And right now, just a few hours ago, we smashed through it. We closed the 4-hourly candle above it. And right now having this retest of the previous very strong resistance. So guys, I can't ignore this. I want to tell you guys this. We're also taking out this previous high in the 4-hourly highest closes. So I can't stress enough about it. Even though we have right now a bearish divergence on the 4-hour, I still think that we're going to create more volatility to the upside. And this is bearish divergence because you can see we are creating a higher high in the price chart, lower high in the RSI, and that is just a divergence. But I don't think that we're really going to see a correction. Of course, we can still invalidate this pattern. So if we want to see an invalidation, of course, we want to see the 4-hourly candle close below the line of support, because then we are invalidating this pattern. And you really want to be careful with your long position, because if we're seeing that, we're basically saying that we're not having enough strength, and there is maybe a possibility that we're going to see a reversal to the downside. And of course, that's not a thing that I would love to see here, but I want to be realistic. But for now on, it's just looking very good. And also, the inverse head and shoulders is a scenario that you can be looking at, but you can also look at the cup and handle scenario, because the cup and handle scenario also highly anticipated here on the channel. You can see you're forming a very nice cup over here, then you were forming the handle over here, and since you were breaking out of the handle, of course, very nice support found on the previous resistance, and right now also breaking the horizontal level that you do want to be breaking. So guys, there are multiple patterns that are looking very good, and the price target for the cup and handle will be exactly the same for the inverse head and shoulders, but the inverse head and shoulders is just a little bit more clean at the moment, and it's just giving me very good confirmations that we are also right now finding good support on our previous resistance line, guys. So this was a very short video, but this was just a quick emergency update, because I do think if you're not in a position yet and you really want to trade, of course, no financial advice here, but this is looking like one of the best possibilities that you are having here with the Bitcoin price since maybe the last 30 or 60 days. This is one of the best and one of the most clear opportunities that you can take here, because right now we're seeing so much significance in the chart. So if you haven't done it already, you can do so. Of course, always not do it at your own risk. So thank you so much for watching. I will be catching you guys later today in a live stream, and maybe if I see something very interesting, I can make another quick update, but probably I won't be doing it. But it was very amazing, guys. I will be seeing you later today in the stream. So see you by then. Ciao.